learned Boolean logic using and, or, between, and isin. In this video, we will take filtering further using lock, isin, and query, tools that are used daily in data analysis. So let's begin. First of all, I need to import and create a dataset. Okay. So I'm importing Pandas SPD, and I want to create a dataset. I'm creating data equals open a curly braces. Then we can give name as Alice, Charlie, Bob, Alice, Bob, Charlie, David, and Eva. Okay. Now we need to give their department. So everyone is working in different department, including IT, HR, then IT, finance. And we can add another HR. Okay. So we added a name, department. So let's add a age. And salary. We're giving 50, 45, and 40, 70, and 48. So here our dataset is ready. And I created a simple employee dataset. This kind of structure, department, age, salary, is very common in company data and analytic projects. Okay, so now I'm placing it to df pd.dataframe. Then we call df. So our next step is using log for filtering. So here I'm using bf.log, and log is with a condition works so better. So I'm using a condition df, then the name of the column, department. So this selects only the employees who work in the IT department, and we assign IT. And log is best when fitting with using our column labels and other conditions. So here log fits perfectly. Let's look. Now we get the employees who works in the IT department. So with the option log, we found the employees under IT. And if we have multiple conditions with log, we just add and to it. We just need to copy paste this, paste it here, give parentheses, and let's add and then accept this. Okay. Now I'm applying multiple conditions together. We must wrap each conditions inside parentheses as we state here. This filter HR employees who are older than 25. Okay. So if it's IT or if its age is greater than 25, we need to go through both, and if both are matching, we will get the output. Here I give IT and 25. So in the AND condition, if both the conditions are matching, only then we get the output. Okay. What if we give HR here? So I place HR, so the age is changed, but it is above 25 and satisfy both the conditions. Now we are moving to isin, a very important thing that we already learned, but we are using it here because I need you to know what and how isin is working in the real world data analysis. Okay, so isin is extremely useful when checking multiple values. So here I am stating df with df department, and we are adding dot isin with a bracket or a parenthesis, and add IT, comma, finance. Okay, we added IT and finance. Now let's run. I'm sorry with that. So instead of writing many or condition, we pass a list and keep the code clean, and we get everything in a code. Okay, so Do you understand how isin works? Isin works while checking multiple values. If the department is IT or finance, we will get the output as this. We will use the or condition or the isin to get such values. Okay. Now I am introducing a query which allow us to write conditions like natural language. Okay, it make complex filtering easier to read and maintain. And the truth is, many analysts prefer this approach for large datasets. So let's write a query. Here I am writing a query with df dot query and giving age is greater than 25 and salary greater than or equal to 50. So what happened here? We added a string. We don't want this. Okay, we can just keep this at m. Now we get the query which is under finance and age greater than 25 with salary above 50. Okay, so it makes a complex filtering much more easier, and now we can maintain and analyze everything in a code in a piece of line. Okay. We can use query with string conditions, like we can also filter test columns using query, but just remember to wrap string values in quotes. Okay. Last time I do the string values in quotes, but we get an error because we didn't add multiple values or multiple strings. So here, df dot query, we are adding department, and which is inside the quotes. We are giving the assigning sign and adding IT inside the single quote. So now we don't have any error. We filter the test columns using query, but we just place it under the quotes like this. So in Pandas Intermediate Part 2, we learned advanced filtering using loc, isin, and query. And these techniques help you to write cleaner, more professional, and very generous codes, which are useful as a beginner analyst or a person who is working with intermediate level. Okay. In the video, we will look forward missing data, one of the most important real-world problems. And stay tuned for the next video, where we will discuss most important topics that can be useful in real-world projects and analysis. Okay. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next part. Okay. Bye.